Hi everyone, and if you are new visitor on my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Now today I will discuss about Canva. What is Canva? It is basically a software that is used for graphics or many more. I think you have understand that for what we use Canva. This tool is used in different ways, for YouTube thumbnails, for graphics, natural beauty, and if we here we will use thumbnail for YouTube channels. Firstly, we will open our Canva. It's atmosphere such like that you seen. Here we want to make a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. So different tools are here that we will open thumbnail design. Firstly, site thumbnails are provided by Canva, and so if we choose this one, we deleted it. How to edit? Here see just such templates, then here text heading. We will delete it as this text. We delete site text, and then we'll add something new here, such our own text. Welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now if we want to change its layout, then we go to effects. Here different effects are here: styles, non shadow, lift, hello, splice, echo. Yes, glitch is like some that this one. Yes, I think this is perfect. And here okay. As our channel name is Creative Mind, Creative Mind. Now it's style effects. So effects here, such like that. So it's done. Now if we want to change its color, then we will go to here and can change its color. In shapes we cannot change its color, but in styles we can change its color. So this is our editing. Welcome to my YouTube channel Creative Mind. You can make the thumbnails on Canva. I hope you will like Canva use. For more videos, like and subscribe my channel. Here you will download which design you have done. You can download here by clicking here. So I hope so you understand how to use Canva. So thank you.